Relationships situational examples. Fight, conflict. We had a fight. We had a conflict. Breakup, separation. We broke up. We went through a separation. Lie, misrepresentation. You lied. That was a misrepresentation. Cheating, breach of trust. He cheated. There was a breach of trust. Angry, frustrated. I am angry. I am frustrated. Sorry, I take responsibility. Sorry, I take responsibility for that. Maybe I am uncertain. Maybe I am uncertain right now. Help, support. I'll help you. I'll support you. Promise, commitment. I promise. This is my commitment. Blame, accountability. It's your fault. Where does accountability lie? Worried, concerned. I am worried. I am concerned. Sad, disheartened. I am sad. I feel disheartened. Happy, content. I am happy. I feel content. Confused, need clarity. I am confused. I need clarity.